Hello, NewsKids! Today we're talking about a very big earthquake that hit Myanmar. It caused a lot of damage, and many people needed help. But why was this earthquake so bad? And how do earthquakes happen in the first place? Let's find out! On March 28, 2025, a huge earthquake hit Myanmar near the city of Mandalay. It was magnitude 7.7, which is very powerful. Buildings shook, roads cracked, and many people had to run for safety. But why was this earthquake extra dangerous? Well, scientists say it had a shallow epicenter. The epicenter is the place underground where the earthquake starts. If it's deep underground, the shaking is spread out more. But this earthquake was only 10 kilometers deep. That's very shallow. This means the ground shook really hard, making buildings collapse and causing more damage. Okay, but what causes an earthquake? Imagine the Earth's surface is like a giant puzzle made of pieces called tectonic plates. These plates move very slowly, but sometimes they push against each other. If they get stuck and then suddenly slip, the ground shakes. That's an earthquake. Myanmar sits on a very active earthquake zone where two plates, the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate, push against each other. Scientists say this is why big earthquakes happen there often. The earthquake damaged thousands of buildings, including schools, hospitals, and bridges. Some roads had huge cracks, making it hard for rescue teams to reach people who needed help. Over 1,600 people lost their lives, and more than 3,400 were injured. Many people had to leave their homes because they were too dangerous to stay in. And it wasn't just Myanmar. The earthquake was so strong that it was felt in Thailand, Bangladesh, and India. In Bangkok, Thailand, a building under construction collapsed, trapping people inside. The shaking was so strong that even swimming pools in Thailand felt it. Videos showed water sloshing out of pools in high-rise buildings, creating mini waves and splashing over the edges. The tremors were felt all the way in Bangkok, reminding everyone just how powerful earthquakes can be, even far from the epicenter. After the earthquake, rescue workers, firefighters, and doctors rushed to help. But damaged roads and power outages made it hard to bring food, water, and medicine to people in need. Other countries like China, India, Singapore, and Thailand sent rescue teams and aid supplies to help the people in Myanmar. Groups like the Red Cross are also helping by giving food, blankets, and medical care. Earthquakes are one of nature's most powerful forces, and this one in Myanmar was especially bad because it was so shallow. But we can learn from it and find ways to stay safe. That's all for today, NewsKids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cool stories. See you next time!